Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get more fences and grow a garden. So I just realized this today, but there's actually fences now in cosmetics. If you see here, I have the light fence, the dark lantern fence, and then the flower fence, which is super cute as you can see. But if you go to cosmetics here, there's actually a fence section. If you're in cosmetics, there's a fences section. And you can purchase these fences. I think they cost 40 or 20 trillion shekels. I forgot how much they cost. But as you can see, now we can purchase these cute fences. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can purchase fences in Grey Garden using shekels. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.